Commercial vehicles and work trucks are more than just vehicles. They're essential business assets. But how do you know when it's time to replace them? Or whether or not the upfront cost of a new truck will pay off in the long run? Life cycle cost analysis helps fleet operators and business owners make smart investment decisions by analyzing the full ownership cost of the vehicle, from initial purchase to the final resale or retirement. Total cost of ownership, or TCO, covers what you spend to buy, run, and maintain a vehicle. Life cycle cost casts a wider net, considering all costs of ownership of the assets, including acquisition cost, fuel, maintenance and repairs, tax implications, downtime and productivity, environmental impact, and salvage or resale value. The choice of when to replace an aging vehicle in your fleet and what to replace it with is not about what's cheapest. It's really about the most cost-effective decision over time to do the job at hand. Use break-even analysis to determine how long it will take to recover your investment. Consider factors such as rate of return, internal costs, tax impacts on net profitability. Life cycle cost analysis helps identify the optimal time to retire or replace a vehicle. Do costs spike after 8 years of service? Can new technology improve fuel efficiency or reduce downtime? Running the numbers can determine when replacing a vehicle saves more than keeping it. Is it time to look at additional options, such as EVs or alternative fuels? As you evaluate fuel price volatility, vehicle usage, and duty cycle, life cycle cost analysis lets you model scenarios for internal combustion engines, electric vehicles, and alternative fuels like natural gas or propane. To learn more about vehicle life cycle cost analysis, visit the NTEA website at ntea.com. Thanks for watching.